Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the task that we've given to us, which is the linked list management using a Python programming language. So first, let's define what is a linked list. So a linked list is a data structure in which elements called nodes are connected together using pointers. Linked lists are commonly used for dynamic data structure as they allow for efficient insertion and deletion of elements. So, the title of the code or the program is the linked list management. So, this program allows users to create, manipulate, and interact with a linked list, demonstrating proficiency in Python programming and data structure. So this is also implement fundamentals operations for a linked list, including inserting elements at the start, end, at a specific position, deleting elements from the start and the specific position, searching for elements, and displaying elements. So let's go to the code. So first, we declared a class name which node. So it is initialize a node with the data and reference to the next node. Next, we declared also a class which name is linked list. So define. So this is initializing an linked list with an empty head. So nag-define ulit. So nag-define ng function which is magagamit natin dito sa baba for the main menu. So def insert at a start, define insert at end, insert at position, delete at start, ito, delete at the end, delete at position, delete numbers, search numbers, display numbers at position, display list. So yan. So pagkatapos natin mag-define ng mga nung sampung function is gagawa tayo ng piprint muna natin yung 10 options, which is yung magdi-display sa users para pumili ng choices kung alin ba dito, yung 0 to 10 na choices. So magi-input, enter choice. So if choice is equals to 0, so yun nga, magagamit na yung mga define na function dito sa taas. So i-call diyan 0 if choice is 1. Pag 0, it means delete. So dito nakalagay delete. 0 is equal, or sorry, exit pala pag 0. 0 pag exit, 1 insert the position. So hanggang maging 10 hanggang sa display list. So yun. So pag exit pala, automatic magdi-display ng thank you. So yun. So yun lang mga about sa code. Then i-try nating i-run. So ito na ang sinasabi ko, magdi-display yung print na 0 to 10. So first, mag-insert muna tayo. Enter your choice 1, insert at start. So mag-insert tayo ng start, enter the value to insert at the start. So kunyari 12. So 12 has been successfully inserted at the start. So para matingnan yan, i-display natin yung list 10. pili ka lang ng 10 yung choices, then yun, linked list 12, so yun na-insert na yung 12 na inilagay kanina. So next, number 2, insert at the end. So mag-insert tayo, enter the value to insert the end. Kunyari 23. So para makita 10, display list. So ayan na, 12. Yung nauna 12, pangalawa is 23, which is at the end. So number 3 naman, insert at position. Enter the value to insert. Kunyari 13. Enter the position to insert, position 1. So para matingnan 10, display to display list. Yan, 12. Yung updated na linked list na is 12, nakatutok sa 13, nakatutok sa 23. Then anong number na? Delete 4. Delete at start. So, try natin. So 10, tignan natin yung na-delete. So yun nga, na-delete. Delete at end, at start. Delete at start. Na-delete yung 12, which is yung start nun. So next, delete at the end 5. Press 5, enter, then 10 para makita. So yun, na-delete na yung 23, which is yung the end ng linked list. So next, magdadagdag muna tayo ng position, ng value para hindi maging empty. Magdadagdag muna tayo, insert at the start 2, 22. Isa pang value, insert at start 1, 25. So display muna natin. So ayan na yung list, 25, 22, 13. So magde-delete na tayo ng 6, delete 6. Delete at position. Enter the position to delete 2. So display natin yung na-delete. So yan, 25, 22 na lang. So na-delete nga yung index number 2. Next, 7, delete number 7. Enter the value to delete 25. So display. So nawala na yung 25 kasi na-delete na. The updated linked list is the 22 na lang. So number na tayo, 8. Search number 8. Search number, enter the value to search. Kunyari 22 kasi naandun 22. So value 22 is found at position 0. So kunyari maghanap tayo ng walang value 2. So value 2 is not found kasi 22 lang naman nandun. So 9, display number at position. Enter choice 9. Enter the position to display 1. So invalid, enter the valid 1 is the valid position. So try natin pag 0, 9, 0. So ayun, kasi nasa index 0 yung 22 kasi mag-isa na lang. So 10 to display list. So linked list 22. So 0, try natin pag 0. 0 is to exit. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. So thank you. So yun lang ang about sa aking program. Thank you po.